Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, grade 6. This short video just to clarify to you some important points in this revision sheet. Question number 1, which of the following is equation is algebraic? We have two equations. The first equation, 8 plus 7 equals 15. The second equation is 3m plus 2 equals 5. Of course, the second equation is algebraic. Why? Because it has a variable which is m. The equation to be algebraic, it should have a variable. The first one is numerical because it doesn't have a variable. And the second question, Omar says 2f plus 7 equals 29 is equivalent to 2f plus 7 minus 13 equals 29 minus 13. So these he said that these two equations are equivalent. The answer is yes, because we subtract the same number from both sides, which is subtraction property of equality, which means that we can subtract the same number from both sides. But if it is one equation, they add 13, and the other side of the equation he subtract, so it's wrong. But here in this case he subtract the same number from both sides, so it's correct, it's equivalent. As you know, we have addition property and subtraction property, multiplication property, and division property. Now in the question number 3, what the value of w makes the equation w minus 5 w minus 7 equals 4 true? So in this equation he wants the value of w. As you can see, this subtraction equation, and in subtraction equation we solve it by the inverse operation, which is addition. So w equals 9, or w equals 11, or w equals 8. Here we can just try the answers, but you know, here we try 9 minus 7 equals 2, which is not 4. If we try 11, 11 minus 7 equals 4, which is true. Or we can solve it by the opposite operation, because it's subtraction equation. We can use the first step is addition. We can use the inverse operation or the opposite operation. We use the inverse relationship between subtraction and addition. As you know, the division equation can be solved by multiply, and multiplication equation can be solved by division, and so on for addition and subtraction. Number 4, which value of z is the solution to the equation z minus 7 equals 3? So here it's a subtraction equation, so we add here w minus 7 equals 8 equals 4, so we add a 7 to both sides to keep to let w alone. So if you add 7 to both sides, or we transfer 7 to the other side, it becomes 7 plus 4, which is 11. So the answer is 11. Now z minus 7 equals 3, and I have repeated the same question, I'm sorry. But in number 4, which value of z that is the solution of the equation z minus 7 equals 3? This again subtraction, we solve it by addition. Z minus 7 equals 3, so we add 7 to both sides, it becomes z equals 7 plus 3 equals 10. And the next question, question number 5, complete the following, complete the equivalent equations. To 7 plus q equals 19. So here he put 7 plus q plus 17 equals 19 plus space. So in the first side of the equation he has added 17, and in the second side we need to add 17, because addition property of equality, we can add the same number to both sides of the equality or equation. In the question number 6, use the subtraction property of equality to write an equivalent equation to 7 plus q equals 23. So you write you need to solve this equality or equation 7 plus q equals 23 because it's addition, so we use subtraction. So we subtract the same number from both sides. If you minus 7 from both sides, or you put 7 on the other side, but you need to change its sign. So q equals 23 minus 7 equals 16. But other way to solve it here, we because it's addition equation, we subtract 7 from both sides to let q alone, which is the variable in this case. So 7 plus q minus 7 equals 23 minus 7. 7 will be cancelled with 7, so q is alone in its side. So q equals 23 minus 7 equals 16. Now in the last question, question number 7, here write equation 12 plus p number of plums is equal to 17. So is, focus on is equal sign, is equal. So in the first side we have 12 plus, so we write 12 plus p equals, the other side we have 17. So this is easy one. Subtract 6 from b to get here is the equal, is, or to get here is the equal. So subtract 6 from b, so subtract 6 from b, so it means b minus 6. And the other side we have to put 15, which is equal 15. Now in this question, problem solving, here question number 9, Ridwan was lastly seen eating 2 dates at fast breaking last Monday. However, he was just completing it to make 7 to follow the sunnah. Write algebraic equation to find how many dates Ridwan first ate before the last 2. So we need the number of dates. We can represent it by any variable. Here we put d plus 2 equals 7. So we need to complete to 7. This is the equation. He said the number of dates he ate, then he added 2 to them, equals 7. So now d plus 2, d is the variable, the unknown value. D plus 2 equals 7. Now to solve it, this addition equation here, to solve it, we put d plus 2 equals 7. We minus 2 from 7 because it's addition equation. That's it for this video. Thank you very much. Or if you want to continue the last question, here, okay, it's similar to this previous one, so it's the same story will be done. Thank you very much.